So we are in the West MacDonnells and we are doing the Ellery Creek Walk today as a family. This is a 3.2 kilometer walk through called the Dolomite Walk. And given it's relatively easy and not too long, it should be one that we can do all together. See how Miles likes it. Let's go do it.
Miles, look. Hey, look. It's eating the seeds.
So we've just crossed the dry creek bed of Ellery Creek and we'll run concurrently with the larapinta for a little bit and before branching off. So just have to keep an eye out, make sure we make the right turns.
Mom, we are wearing sunscreen.
Okay, so we are reaching the end of the Ellery Creek Dolomite Walk, and you know, it's a short, relatively easy but quite rocky meander through the hills here with some lovely rock formations. I think one of the things that's really good about it is it's a short walk that gives you a taste of what the larapinta is like in terms of the scenery, and it is just absolutely beautiful landscape. And I have to say, it really does make me want to do the larapinta if I ever get 2 weeks off to do it. So yeah, that's the Ellery Creek Dolomite Walk, 3.2 Ks, relatively easy, and was, you know, one that we could take Miles in the backpack for. Now to end it, we're going to go have a look at the main sort of tourist attraction here, which is the Ellery Creek Big Hole. So let's go check it out.